Hello guys, today we are seeing a 4-axle flatbed platform semi-trailer. You can see because the loading deck is flat, so we call it flatbed, or we call it a platform semi-trailer. In the front we have the protection of the connection device, the air connection, electricity connection, and here is the indicator of the light system. This is the light. Here is the twist lock and the kingpin landing gear, side beam, wrench, ratchet, rope hook, and this is a double side landing gear. You can opt in the left and right side. This is the gearbox. Here the protection, side protection, 4 wheels and tire. This is the tire pattern and the suspension hanger, equalizer. This is the 4-axle, so we have front suspension hanger and middle, and rear suspension hanger. This is mud guard and mud flipper, spare tire carrier. At the rear we have the rear light, the light protection, and the triangle reflector, the light, reverse light, fog light, indicator light, something like that. This is how it looks like in the rear view. This is a 4-axle suspension hanger. Over there we have a 2-box and side protection, same as all the other trailers. Okay guys, let's make a short video today and hope you guys enjoy our video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.